In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door mirror glass on your Nissan Versa located in your driver's side door mirror. The process for this is going to be the same on the passenger side. Now before we remove the glass, safety glasses, gloves, and tape are highly recommended. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put tape on the mirror glass itself. The reason for this here is upon removal of the glass, if it happens to crack or if it's already cracked and broken, this will help keep most of the glass together. So this is more of a precautionary safety type process here. We're just using a regular painter's tape here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push in on the top portion of the glass like so. We're going to go underneath here and we're gently going to pull outward. Go ahead and pull those down. Now what we just did was we dislodged the retainers here on the bottom and the two sides, and then the top drops down and out. So when we take the new one, we're going to feed it up and in to the top of the bracket and then press down to lock it into place down here. And we have our new glass here. We have the two tabs here and they fit into the top two notches on the top of the pivoting unit here. So feed that up and in. You can twist the glass back and forth or wiggle it and it's locked into place. That's it. With a gentle push, you're snapped into place. After we tested the adjustments of the glass, that completes the job.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.